Hi everyone, Nancy from My Treasure Home and welcome back to the channel. So, I got friend mail. How about that? It's fun when you get friend mail. And so, I'm in a, I'll say text group, So, um, Joann from Prairiedlivingtwins had asked if anybody want this particular thing, and I was the first one to say yes. So I was like, I got it in the mail the other day. That's so much fun because I've been wanting one. It may be an older model, but that's okay. Something I can learn to do and everything. So, am I using it anytime soon? I don't know. I got so many other projects going on, and there's other things in this box that goes along with it. And then I didn't pull all of it out, but I was like, oh, this is so cool. I got my first GoPro. Look at that. That's so cool. Oh my goodness. I'm like, oh. So I showed my son and daughter-in-law. I said, do you want to see what a friend sent me for free? And he goes, he looked at the box. I'm going to show you the box. And I'll tell you why he had the puzzle look. And see, this is the box. He goes, electric mason jar vacuum sealer. Because I already have one. Is why he was questioning, why did I get another one? I'm like, oh, that's not what's in this box. So when they saw it, they were like, oh, wow. So I was like, yeah. See, the Lord sits there and even shows those that friends or family or others that, he still got his eye on you. I call it a God wink, or those little windows. Joyce Meyer says a God wink, and I've heard it before. I call it those little windows that God is showing you, hey, I'm still here. I'm still doing things behind the scenes. You just keep doing what you're doing, what I've told you to do. And the blessings will be coming. He will make everything right. So I wanted to thank Joann so much for this. This is so exciting because I was like, this is something I always wanted. And then, God's timing's always the best. And it's like, here, let's get you one for free. So thank you. I am going to be looking at this later on and everything. I've got some other projects I'm working on right now. But I'm just like, oh, that's cool. I love it. Because when I get stuff in the mail. The look on their faces is just unbelievable. And I was like, the Lord is working. So thank y'all so much for stopping by and seeing what mail call I got from Joann. And I'll put her link down there below, and y'all go check out her channel. They have some fun stuff. I think they were moving. Oh, you have to go check and see what's going on. So thank y'all for stopping by. Y'all have a wonderful day. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all. And we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.